Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to show a quick highlight on the focused object in Opera Browser. So how to show a quick highlight on the focused object in Opera Browser. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Opera Browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Opera Browser display. Then move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here are many menu options. Then tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this and scroll down. And tap the setting menu here. Now here you are in the settings menu. Enter the browser menu. Now here you are in the browser menu. Scroll down to find the accessibility menu. Then tap to quick highlight on the focused object. This feature displays a quick highlight on the object that is currently focused on in Opera Browser, helping users see the active element more clearly. So that's it, the tutorial how to show a quick highlight on the focused object in Opera Browser. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.